guys, it's your favorite girl Roya here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm going to be following, well, I try following Alissa Ashley's video, and this is the makeup look I came up with. Well, this is the makeup look she told me to do, and I'm definitely feeling myself. Thank you, Alissa. Thank you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, go like, go subscribe, go comment. Tell me what your favorite part about this video is in the comments down below. So further ado, let's get on to the video. So I'm going to be trying to copy Alissa Forever makeup look, and this is, I'm gonna put on the screen what makeup look she did. So I'm going to be following that makeup look right there. She is beautiful. Look at her. So I'm gonna follow that video. So let's get started.
Just go ahead and take my ColourPop No Filter.
Okay, the first thing she does is put on concealer on her lids. But first, I like to do is put on tape because I ain't the best. She's using the ColourPop concealer, but I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay concealer. Pop that onto my eyelids. My beauty blender and blend that in. Let me put my hair to the back.
Now I'm taking the slightest amount of banana powder to set it in place a little
Oh,
bit.
let me use my Mercier powder to set my eyelids. Hold up, hold on. Alright, now we put some loose setting powder like she did. Now she's going to be using this color right here.
In the palette and pop it in my lid. Crease lid. This area right here.
So I'm going to do the same and pop that into my crease lid.
By default and do tutorials so often, but nope.
Okay, what does she do next?
I do not.
Hers look darker than mine, so I'm just gonna build it up.
Then I'm going to go ahead and take that color right in the center, just to kind of soften it out.
I gotta rewind. What she do?
I'm going to go ahead and take that color right in the center,
So she
just to
can.
kind of soften it out.
Now I'm gonna take another brush and take this middle shade and use that just to soften everything out. Just to soften everything out. Okay, I'm getting somewhere.
Green in the palette and pop that right close to the crease.
So I'm gonna do the same right here. Yeah, I can see it right here. And put that into my crease. gonna blend it out just a little bit. Okay, okay.
Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my MAC Mixing Medium Eyeliner. If you cannot get your hands on this one, get the NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on the lid. I'm gonna take that shimmery green on the far right of the palette because it's a nice olivey tone with some kind of gold tones in it as well. And I'm gonna pop that on the lid. So mixing medium first, and then dip.
I don't have any mixing medium, so I'm just gonna go straight in.
Pack it on the lid.
Straight in with it, and I'm gonna use my setting spray. Spray my brush.
I'm gonna go ahead and take my gel liner and this MAC liner brush and pop on a wing. I say it like it's so easy, really it's not. I gotta focus, so not gonna talk for a second. I gotta focus on this wing because this one came out fire. So let's hope this ain't for the other side.
Alright, now I'm gonna do a wing. Now that we did our wings, my wings are trash. But who's paying attention? So the next thing I'm gonna do is, I don't know, just see what Alissa Ashley's doing.
Go ahead and take the same olive green and pop it right underneath.
I'm gonna do the same thing she's doing. I'm gonna pop an olive green color on the lower lash line. I'm skip lashes for today. I'm gonna do the same thing she's doing with the contour, but first I gotta do my face. And once I do my face, I come back with the rest of the look. Now that I have my base all done, I'm gonna continue watching the video and following the rest of the makeup tutorial.
Now for the face, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here.
So I'm gonna take this shade as well.
See how that works out. It may be a little cool tone, but we'll see. I mean, contour's supposed to be cool tone, but usually I kind of go warm. Let's see.
This is pretty. Okay, Alissa. Okay.
We know what. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take, let's see, if I do anything, oh gosh. I took too much of it, but I took that shade right in the middle because I want to see how it looked for a blush, but I didn't mean to just go boom. Soften it out with another brush.
So I'm gonna take that shade in the middle as well and put that on.
I love our little middle section of the palette. I'm
for blush.
absolutely effing here for it. Like, okay.
I gotta calm that down.
I'm not gonna overdo it.
Looks nice. Looks nice. Okay, Alissa. Okay. Now I'm using my e.l.f. blush. Now I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetic highlighting palette. So this is how we're looking. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this LA Girl lip paint, glazed lip paint, and I'm gonna put that on my lips, of course. Now I'm just gonna tone that down and put some gloss on. So did I achieve the look? Tell me, let me know in the comments down below. Did I achieve the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.